Good morning, everybody. We are here to learn a little bit more about plesiosaurs. So that's our latest delivery from China. It's a fake Lego, but it's pretty cool. So we're going to build a habitat for the plesiosaur. Here's our plesiosaur. He's looking really good. You should put him over here, and I can, while you're building a little bit, I can.
Fun fact, plesiosaurs are not actually dinosaurs. They're actually just marine reptiles.
Really?
Yes.
It's so hard to know the difference on some of that stuff.
Yes.
Honestly.
So is the mosasaurus.
So it's almost like they're just fish.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much just fish.
Big fish and goofy fish and maybe like kind of like a lizard fish. So what are we doing right now? Because obviously the blue is the water, right?
Mm-hmm. We're covering up this blue so then there's more room for something else.
Can I get the mosasaurus?
This isn't a mosasaurus.
We're doing the plesiosaur one, sissy. What do you know about a plesiosaur? Do you like plesiosaurs? Or do you think they're ugly? I think they're kind of cool looking.
Yeah, but they're also sometimes kind of ugly also because they eat all your friend's fishes.
Yeah, well, and then look at this thing. Kind of got a little bit of a creepy eyes. Yeah, I mean, he definitely does not look like one you want to mess with.
Yeah, he does look a little evil or something.
Yeah, when we got this one, we didn't think we were going to have to be putting it together, but there was like directions.
I told you.
I didn't. Oh, so do we call this a paddock too?
No, I'd more call it a lagoon or a pond.
Okay, yeah, a lagoon. That seems more like what we build in our house.
Yeah, a plesiosaur pond.
The pond of the plesiosaur.
Yeah, just find brick pieces.
You need brick pieces?
Just gray.
Just gray
flats.
Gray flats,
Gray
sissy.
flat pieces.
We'll help Hugo complete his square here.
Big square. And this weird shape.
Can you be white like that?
Maybe. I'll think about it.
Yeah, we really want gray. A gray and charcoal.
Maybe even a brown.
Yep, now we're getting a little silly.
Black?
Yeah, black
Yeah, I
is
think
used.
black.
Pretty much we're just trying to fill this in. I don't know why we're trying to fill it in.
I don't know either. I think it'll just make more room and then also we'll have a stadium so everyone can see.
Well, you better start building that stadium.
The stadium will be for something else.
What'd you find, sissy?
Broken piece.
Okay, that might
Has it thrown down by me?
Let's see, we got a little weird little thing going on here. All for the plesiosaur.
Wish we could have at least 2 or 3. Then I'd be able to open this up and only have a little bit of it.
You better keep going, buddy. This is going to be the longest video of the world.
Yeah, it might be pretty long. You can fast forward through like this part.
I might make 2 videos. I might make one where we just do totally raw.
And then next one we actually.
And another one where I do some editing. I like when we do that. That's kind of fun.
Uh-huh. Yeah, so one person can see one chunk. The other person can do that. Oh, look, my helicopter.
Is Lena in here?
I don't know. As long as she's not breaking anything, I think it's fine.
Oh, it's totally fine. I just wanted to see her. I like her.
Mm-hmm. Oh, here she is. Now she's talking.
I thought I heard her. So right now we're just still trying to complete the, get rid of this blue. Hugo's kind of just going about it in a weird way, but that's okay. That's still not going to fit. I don't know why. Still not going to fit, son. You can keep trying, but it won't work.
Oh, it will.
I mean, you can put it over top.
Done. Still.
Done.
Almost.
I don't know. My son sometimes gets a little bit on the silly side. I wonder where he gets it. Clearly wouldn't be from his dad.
It is.
Haha, they both said it's from me. It probably is. Because their mom is so perfect. She's never weird.
Oh no, she literally says she's weird.
Oh yeah, that's right. She's weird too.
Everyone's weird.
So you're pretty much double weirded. Weirded from your mom, weirded from your dad.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Well, I think you got to start building that stage.
Okay, yep.
I need that stage to be built.
This part will now.
This is the second phase.
Part 2.
And I think you need to do it quick because don't you have all those blocks over there?
Oh yeah.
But you can definitely hang out here and help us get white bricks. Can you help us find white bricks, Odds?
White bricks.
Yeah.
Okay, there's time.
Yeah, if you can just like find more of those and help Hugo, that would really help us out a lot.
I guess that there might have been like a white building.
There was, I
Yeah, you
think.
can take apart the lab.
Oh wow, Hugo's. We're gonna destroy the lab.
What? Also because I need some of the parts.
Thank you. Odds, destroy that lab.
Do you really mean it?
Yes, I don't care. I can build
Lab
better.
destruction coming to a place.
Oh no, Lord.
Oh, just. Oh no.
Oh.
That was so cool. Okay, okay, now that's too much. Yep, be nice. Wow. Look at this stage being built.
You destroy this.
You.
No, you didn't.
It just comes off over time, sissy.
I made this.
I know you did.
You're doing illegal things. Not even too illegal.
Illegal building moves, not like illegal in the real world.
Okay. If anyone's watching this, please call the cops and ask if illegal Lego building techniques are actually illegal.
They're not illegal in the police world.
You don't know that.
Yeah, I do. There's no such things as laws against Lego building that the cops care about. These are the Lego. They're the Lego cops. They're weird. They're on the internet. They tell you.
Or they're just your minifigure.
Yeah, well, obviously. That's going to be a weird little stage right there.
It's not done. There's gonna be steps, and that's
okay.
where you sit.
What about that one place where his foot goes in?
Oh. Well,
That's so
their
scary.
legs don't really fall in.
Okay, good.
Or we'll just add that little safety thing.
Well, no, don't add blue,
Oh yeah, then it'll be deeper.
because then it'll be a waterfall.
Metrodon sees more.
Definitely don't want waterfalls.
Metrodon.
So now you're just building that up?
Lost its,
Oh, I don't understand what's going on.
the
Oh,
Metrodon
you
lost
will.
its job while eating all that white bricks.
Ow.
Got his stronger. Oh no, now it's a...
Back broken leg.
It sees my way. That's spectacular with a different color, and it really doesn't like it.
Hugo's going, and he's going, he's going, he's going, he's going.
Oh no.
I still
My
don't
worst
see
thing.
what's going on here.
Metrotrons do hate Mr. DNA. Ah, nah.
Is it Mr. DNA what brought him back?
Well, he still hates him. Because he's eating him!
Oh my goodness.
Mean.
And he broke his jaw. But
And he broke his jaw again.
Yep. The jaws are really easy to snap in. They're out. The Metrodon doesn't work. And inside of me. But I fixed your jaw. So I'm just gonna... He needs a cage. Because he's gonna attack every white brick that doesn't have anything white on it. So that's why he likes Mr. DNA.
Oh.
Because there's no white.
Okay, but wait for one more chance.
He loves white. That colors that.
Oh, so all he sees is white.
Well, the...
All right, and we're back. We're gonna work on phase 2 here. I made the kids get some pieces built up so we can cruise through this. But if you're just late to the movie, our video, you are witnessing the habitat of the plesiosaur. Originally, all this water was covered up, and now that's the stage. I believe we are going to have minifigures are going to be able to. Yeah, this is going to be really cool.
Do this, do that. Give Mommy a hug.
Well, Alina, you should have given her a hug. We all gave her a hug, so I think you did. I think you just forgot.
No, I didn't think she did.
Yeah, I watched her and she didn't.
Well, you should have remembered to hug her, sweetie, but that happens.
So,
Lena, which Brachiosaurus do you like better? The
Hammond?
Oh, you named them?
Yeah, I named them.
Which one's Hammond?
Hammond is the orange one.
Okay, and then what's the grayish bluish one?
Actually,
Oh, that one's Odds. What's its name? Because that one's Odds.
What's your Brachiosaurus?
oh, my Brachiosaurus, I forgot.
Oh, that's okay.
I just remembered. Bella.
Oh, Bella. Right, Bella.
That's a
Yeah, we
great
named
name.
it Bella.
Great name.
Now look how high we're going to have to make it.
Well, you're going to run out of room because that's going to be about it, I think.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
You don't need to go that high. You just got to have it like...
This high.
I don't think he wants it there, though, Sissy, because he's trying to build a... I think you want to do one more. Maybe like this? You think?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that.
So can I help?
Yeah, you want to build it over here.
Yeah, maybe take some of these small parts. To this part.
Boop, boop, boop.
Damage it. In the middle of those two, right there.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
Or is that just the sticker? That should be the sticker.
I think, yeah, that's the sticker. Yeah, that's a sticker.
One.
Cool. Yeah, I thought there was like wood in there.
No, not wood, just a sticker.
So now you get to see it. That's kind of what the plesiosaur sees. He's going to see people sitting. And this is what the people sitting will see. The plesiosaur. This is getting...
Very long.
Would you like this? Like some greenery, fancy greenery?
Yes.
Here, this is a fancy.
Yep, that's a slide in there. Oh, almost. There we go.
So you see this palm tree.
Do you want to put the palm tree in the water, though?
Yeah.
You gotta set it in the water, Sissy.
Okay. So then I wanted it to be like, so then the people or customers, Lena says,
Customers?
will have a ton of shade.
Here you go, Odds.
But I'm gonna get a ton more so then they can have more shade. Well, my dad is just throwing them all in. So.
Crazy dads.
So now that they're all over each other, I do not like how I'm doing this.
No,
What?
we're almost out.
What do you mean? Almost out of what?
You only need a couple more pieces of... Oh, wait, I'll just use red.
Yeah, the red is for the kids.
This is my
Yeah.
The red seats are for kids.
Because we don't want the kids getting eaten.
Yeah, so they have to be the highest up on the top up there.
Well, what if
Also,
one
so
of
then-
them falls down?
That's okay.
Yeah, they'll hit the railing.
Yeah, they're safe because
But
we
what if
have
one of them falls
barricades.
down, boop, into the tree, breaks?
I don't think they can. Because see, the adult seats are right here.
Yep.
And the green is the is actually the employee seat.
Ooh, yeah. That's a great call. So you just got to stack a bunch of these up. Right.
Oh, yeah. Or just add these. And even chunk.
Ooh, that's a little bit taller there just to make it kind of crazy.
Yep.
Yep.
Or just move my brick that I made and do it how you had it.
Yeah. So, wasn't that?
This is the palm tree
Oh, yeah, that's
Beautiful.
a lot bigger.
that they deserve.
Yeah, just perfect. And a little shade there for the palm tree. Wow, that's nice.
No, it's for like the people.
Yeah.
The people gathering.
Absolutely.
So then, like,
to stack up a bunch of
you want this to be like, this is so hard. I need shade.
I wish I sat by the shade tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why I'm trying
build
to
on
make
that
a
side.
ton of the shade trees. Even in this rare.
Oh, and we should put a tree up on the top, too.
Even in this rare type of shade tree. It's a head. Is there a head? No.
Oh, good.
This is the rarest shade tree ever.
Are we about?
So it's like a real
Yes,
tree.
we're almost done. Then I can add some minifigures and I can watch the plesiosaur dance.
All right, well, let's finish this up so we can record this thing.
This thing isn't going
You're not
to
recording?
Oh, I've been recording the whole time, but
Oh, good.
this is the longest video in the history of
Our
video
videos.
longers.
Our videos.
Mm-hmm.
Because some of the brick sciences.
Well, yeah, I mean, I've got one of my golf videos is over an hour and a half. But that's because it's like a live and we're like playing golf. So get some minifigures. All right, we got to recruit minifigures. Minifigures. We need minifigures.
And
I see a minifigure here.
going.
I can't wait to see the plesiosaur. I'm so excited.
Right here.
Ooh,
Then the kids
perfect.
need
Yeah,
shade.
kids need shade.
Yeah, I'll go
I want to go too. There's people coming.
I'm making someone.
The plesiosaur is so excited. There's people coming to watch him.
Oh no, but there's an open rail.
Oh no! Another attack. Oh my goodness, those rails are not sufficient.
Also, I decided to attack
We added
this
too much
guy.
water into the pond, and the plesiosaur just ate a human
No, we more
minifigure.
just scratched his face.
Okay,
'cause
good.
The minifigure.
So he's just injured.
Yeah, he's just a little.
Uh,
hurt.
we'll get him to the
That's
hospital.
better.
Oh no!
Oh.
Okay.
Channel.
Yeah, please subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, don't say it like that.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Yes. Also, because I'm
And
gonna start
get
making
2
money,
lives.
and I can do bigger videos
Please.
of an entire
Plesiosaur, he's really close.
Look, I got.
to catching a human.
So this is what the plesiosaur sees. And that is a very nice, very, very nice situation.
The kids get to look at their.
Magic touch. Look at that. Oh my. This is looking so good. So this is the vantage point that the minifigures see. And they're sitting underneath. This is pretty fun. Pretty fun.
Comment
Just
how much
like
money.
Fred says.
Comment how much money you think this place.
Whatever
is.
you say, man.
Whatever you say, man. How much would this place cost to build in real life? And then what should the admission fee be? Should it be like $10 a person? $1,000 a person? $50 a person? Or should it be free? We'd love to hear what you have to say. But thanks for joining our plesiosaur habitat. And this is like a stage, too. So it's like the plesiosaur...
Dancing stage.
Plesiosaur Pond.
The Plesiosaur Pond, brought to you by TD3 Gimbles. Please like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends about it.